children, today let's start with chapter number 5, our food. As you all know, food is our basic need, right? We will study about the different types of food in chapter that we grow in India and the types of food items eaten by the people in India and how food is transported in India. So, as you know that Raja and his family are in a restaurant and to celebrate his birthday, he and his sister flipping through a menu book and they amazed to see the variety of dishes Punjabi, Bengali, South Indian and Gujarati. So such diversity of cuisines I will tell you in this chapter. So you have already know that India is a huge country. It has different types of landforms over here like plains, mountains, plateau and desert. The climate varies from place to place. Even distribution of rainfall is not uniform. यहाँ पे जो रेनफॉल का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो भी यूनिफॉर्म नहीं है, राइट? Soil found in India also differ from one place to another. As a result, farmers grow large variety of food and other crops. Among the foods that are included food grains, fruits, vegetables, people in different parts of the country, what they produce and eat, various types of food over here. Now food grains. Main food grains produced and eaten in India. What are these? Rice, wheat, maize, jowar, bajra. Pulses or dal like adhar, gram and moong are also grown. Rice is grown in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and therefore rice किसका staple food है? जो लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? इन states में रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज बीट विच इज मोस्टली ग्रोन इन पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश और आपके कुछ राजस्थान वाले पार्ट में भी हो सकता है, गुजरात में भी, मध्य प्रदेश में भी, छत्तीसगढ़. ज्वार एंड बाजरा ते ग्रो इन मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र. पल्सेस आपको ऑलमोस्ट ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री में देखने मिलेगी. चपाती एंड द ग्रोल दे आर द मेन फूड आइटम दैट आर ईटन इन स्टेट्स. Then we have fruits and vegetables. So there are variety of fruits and vegetables that are eaten throughout the country. Right? Different fruits are grown in different states and different seasons. Like strawberry, apples and cherries, they are grown in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Muzaffarpur in Bihar is famous for lychees. Nagpur oranges के लिए जाना जाता है. Grape for Nashik. And Alfonso mango for Ratangiri is famous. And mango and banana are grown in many other parts of our country. And Assam is famous for pineapple. Right? Coconut is grown in coastal areas of Kerala, Gujarat, Goa and Maharashtra. All types of fruits do not grow in all season and in every part of the country. Some fruits जो है वो आपके summer season में भी available होता है, some in winter. Vegetables are grown in almost all part of the country like fruits. Different vegetables are grown in different states over here. Right? Vegetables and fruits are kept in cold storage where they remain fresh throughout the year. हिमाचल प्रदेश को फ्रूट बास्केट ऑफ इंडिया कहते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट्स ग्रो वैरायटी ऑफ फ्रूट्स. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी वैरायटी ऑफ फ्रूट्स देखने को मिलेगी, राइट? देन वी हैव वेजिटेबल ऑयल दैट वी मेक फ्रॉम मस्टर्ड, ग्राउंडनट, कोकोनट. It is used in cooking food. Ghee is obtained from the milk. Coconut oil is mostly used in South Indian state. Then we have spices which gives flavors to our food, right? Like we have chilies, cloves, turmeric, cardamom, pepper, coriander, cumin, saffron. Kerala is known for spice garden of India because most of the spice grow in this state and saffron is mostly grown in Kashmir and Ladakh. Then we have sweet dishes. As you know that Rasgulla of West Bengal, Srikhand of Maharashtra and Gajar ka halwa, Gujia all are the famous sweet dishes in area. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ फूड. अब हम क्या करते हैं, देखो ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही स्टेट में आपको सारी वैरायटीज ऑफ फूड्स देखनी थी, तो हम क्या करते हैं, ट्रांसफर करते हैं इनका. So have you ever thought how apples grow in Kashmir are available in Kerala and coconut grow in Kerala are available in Kashmir? So this because of good transportation facility. Food items grown in one part of India are sent to different parts through trucks, trains, and they are also sent to different countries through aeroplane, ships. People of India are not restricted to eat only those food items that are growing there. ऐसा नहीं है कि जो आपके स्टेट में ग्रो हो गया आप वही खा सकते हो, नहीं. हम क्या करते हैं, फूड को ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो सबको अवेलेबल होता है. Right? This was all in this chapter. Here the previous and 2 is given. You will do yourself at your home by recalling your chapter again. Till then, we will meet in the next class. Our chapter has been completed. Thank you.